What is going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. What the fuck am I doing? Today we finally get to go over Bareknuckles Collection 2. Very highly anticipated collection for all of us here on the channel. We've all been waiting for this one moment for the collection, or for the next collection to drop, since Collection 1 anyway. For all of you guys who are coming for Collection 2 of Bareknuckles and maybe missed out on Collection 1, you can still see their pieces or their first pieces from their first collection on their Instagram if you scroll all the way to the bottom. Starting from the very first collection, Jacob and Cole have just killed this brand. I mean, it was my favorite brand from 2018, and with the release of Collection 2 so far in 2019, it is also my favorite damn brand. Everything about it is just the physical embodiment of what I fucking love, dude. Vintage pieces with a high fashion feel to it. It's just, what more could you ask for? Legit, come on. The only piece that I have from Collection 1 is the version 1 striped denim jacket. An amazing, beautiful piece. It's still one of my favorite pieces to date in my wardrobe. I wear it out any chance I get. I don't get many chances because it's ridiculously hot here in Queensland, Australia. They had two versions because it was just that hyped and that in high of demand. People just wanted this piece. So version 1 was made from Italian denim, which is this bad boy right here, and it was like a double enzyme or stone wash or something like that, giving it that beautiful fade. Version 2 of the jacket, I believe, is made from a Japanese denim, and it also has like one less wash to it, so it's a little bit brighter. I could be wrong on those details, but I'm pretty sure they're correct. Here we are 8 months later with Collection 2, which is just bigger and better, honestly. Everything about Collection 2 is exactly what I love about Bareknuckles. Really all about vintage when it comes to design, but then it's all about high fashion when it comes to the quality of fabrics that they use. Even down to the process of the way they made some of these pieces is just insane. But I'll get into the details of that in a moment when I get into this package. I mean, it's literally calling my name. It's been calling my name for a few days. I think it got here like 2 days ago. I mean, shut up! Shut up! No, I'm fucking with you. It's not calling my name. But before I do get into the package, which may or may not be the physical embodiment of my schizophrenia, round of applause for just killing it again. I mean, everything about this collection is insane. Getting into this package, let's get it, boys. 2 Ziploc reusable bags. You can use this for your groceries at the food store. You can put all your fruits in here. In the first bag, we have the t-shirt, which I'll probably open first, and then we also have the hoodie as well, both in size XL. I don't really mind about the t-shirt being a bit oversized. I like that, but I wanted to get this in a size large, but fucking sold out within the first 3 minutes. We also have a little Postal Slip here as well, which I'm not sure what that is, but I can see something in there, so I'll open that after the t-shirt. Oh man, this smells like Japan. And I'm not saying that because it's just made from Japanese fabrics. It smells like a Japanese bakery or a fish market. It just smells so good. I don't know what it smells like. I literally want to put this on right now. First detail I will talk about with these t-shirts is that they are made to be worn inside out. The tags are still made on the outside of the shirt. That is the back of the Bareknuckles tag. And it is also made to be washed out, so it kind of looks like it's already been worn. It also has the tags on the side of the t-shirt as well, but it doesn't have any details on there about the shirt. Presumably, the details either washed off or they just didn't put any on there. So the shirts from this collection are made with a Japanese cotton and all constructed with a single stitch seam. Now, I talked about single stitch seams in like a couple of videos ago. What a single stitch means in a vintage tee is that the t-shirt is made during or prior to the early 90s. And I believe it was like the mid 90s when they started making t-shirts with a double stitch. So it's just a nice little detail that they've added there to make it resemble a vintage t-shirt. One of my favorite things about these shirts as well is the thick ribbed collar. Now this collar is gonna hug my throat nice and tightly. You guys know how much I love a nice thick collar. That's all your boy wants in life, honestly. Just a nice, well-fitted collar. The last of the details on these shirts is that there is some minor distressing that can be found on either sleeve, and there's also some that can be found on the bottom of the shirt as well. And again, it's just to add that vintage feel to it. I really wish I ordered one in every single color because damn, it's just the perfect t-shirt. Just gonna open this bad boy to get this little extra piece out. Oh, damn. I like the little baggie that it comes in. For Collection 2, they decided to release 3 jewelry pieces made from 925 sterling silver. This is one of their more simple jewelry pieces, so they released a branded necklace with the with BK attached to it as well. They released a branded ring with essentially bare knuckles just around the entire thing. And they also released the single dangle earring, just with the 2 letters BK in old text. This is going to be in my daily wear from now on. Damn, this is such a cool piece. I'm actually a little bit worried that that's just gonna fall right off my earlobe. I think it might. Let's just do some exercises. Okay, maybe it won't fall off. That's pretty good. Getting to the hoodie, the last piece to show you guys. Now I will mention that I did actually have the Collection 1 hoodie with the print along the front. That was definitely my favorite hoodie from last year, and I wish I didn't have to sell it just to buy this hoodie. But I had to sell a few of my favorite pieces to cop anything from Bareknuckles, including the Collection 1 hoodie, which I'm still beating myself up over because I live for that hoodie, dude. I wore it any chance I got. The mistake I made with the first hoodie is that I got it in the size XL, which was just so big. I wanted to get a size large in this hoodie so it fit a little bit better, but size large was the first size to go. So I was like, fuck it, I'll have to get a medium. So I went to go get a medium. Bam, gone. I don't want to miss out on the hoodie, man. I want this hoodie, man. So I had to go and settle for a size extra large, but that's okay. Now the first thing I noticed about the hoodie is that it's not quite as heavy as the Collection 1 hood. I assume that the hoodies were made the same way as the t-shirts. The only difference is that this wasn't made inside out. Surely you could probably wear it inside out, and chances are I probably will. The similarities are shown in the color of the hoodie. It's pretty much the same color as the t-shirt. The hoodies are also made from Japanese fabrics as well. Same as the t-shirt, you do have subtle distressing along the sleeve ends, as well as the bottom of the hood as well. It's distressed all the way around. One of the things that I forgot to mention about the t-shirt that is also done with the hood as well is that they're actually sun-dried on the roof of the warehouse for like 3 days to really give it that unique fading. My favorite thing about that is that no 2 pieces will look the same. Each and every piece will have an own individual unique fade to it. And the same with the distressing. The distressing isn't the exact same distressing on every single hoodie or t-shirt. I don't know how well you guys can see, but my hands are filthy dirty from just the leftover dye that's on those pieces. The other cool thing as well is that when you do wash and wear these pieces, over time they will strip away the color and it will make it look older and more unique and give it more of a fade. This hoodie is gonna look so sick paired up with this jacket as well. Just the wash on both of them, looks fucking nice.
Tight.
Now the hoodie and the shirt are unfortunately both sold out in these colorways. They do still have both of them available in the white color, which is essentially the same thing. It's just white, like a white hoodie, white t-shirt. I still think that these pieces are going to be amazing. So if you want an everyday hoodie or an everyday tee, go and jump online, buy the white ones. They're still available. They're still going to be 10 out of 10. There were some more favorable pieces available to buy. Unfortunately, I didn't have the cash money at the time. For starters, they have the perfect bomber jacket. It looks like it fits well and truly cropped, and it just looks amazing. That is one of my more favorable pieces. They made the striped denim jacket available again. In every single size is still available to purchase online, but the only difference is that this is more like a black and like a light gray or a white striped denim jacket rather than obviously the black and the red, the original. The tactical cargo pants that sold out, I don't know when they sold out, but they're sold out right now. But these honestly look amazing. Black body with white contrast stitching. That was one of my favorite things about these cargo trousers, is the contrast stitching. This is the piece that probably got the most hype around this collection. Obviously this piece is sold out. Cashmere cropped knit sweater. It would have just been the softest fucking thing on my body if I had it right now. I am not going to go through all of the pieces that they released with Collection 2, but that does give you a bit of an idea of what Bareknuckles is all about. Everything to do with Collection 2 is just amazing. There's nothing I dislike. I wish I could have copped every single piece. So while you won't be able to cop a lot of the hyped pieces that they did release with Collection 2, there are still a lot of sizes available that you can buy right now. So I will leave a link to their site in the description box below, a link to Jacob and Cole's Instagram as well as Bareknuckles' Instagram. You'll find all the details about this collection down below. Go and suss it out for yourself, maybe cop a piece or two. Round of applause to Jacob and Cole for releasing this tasty collection of garments and goods. Let's wait and see what collection 3 has in store. Really appreciate your time. Hopefully you guys copped some pieces from Bareknuckles. Let me know what you copped. Let me know what you think of the collection down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.